Hi, Deanna here with 10 easy do-it-yourself tips for video so that you can use video to help market your business. You are going to film in landscape, which means horizontal, but in selfie mode as well, because by being in selfie mode, it's slightly less quality. However, I think the benefits that you'll have for making sure that your head's not cut off or something looks kind of funny is going to benefit you. Don't try to hold your camera. You really want it to be stabilized. So we're going to go ahead and set our camera down on our on our bookshelf installation. And of course, you're going to do that before you start filming so you don't do what I just did, which was to drop your camera. For lighting, you want as much lighting as you can get. So turn on every single light in every single room near you and get your 2 book reading lights or your reading lamps that you can shine on like a crisscross across you. But do not sit in front of a window, because if the sun flashes, you will go into total darkness. Plan for your background, so nothing too deep, nothing too busy, and you want to make sure there's nothing unexpected, like a flower pot coming out of your head or like a dinosaur getting ready to bite your head off. Just basically, you want to be cognizant of what's behind you so that people can really focus on you and listen to what you are saying. As far as sound goes, there's no doubt that actually getting a professional microphone will be better than just filming from your camera. But that's why you want to be fairly close to the camera so that you can, in some ways, really just get away with using the microphone on your cell phone. You also want to project, and you want to be a little bit more animated than usual, because there's the gap between you and the person that you're speaking to. And so you want to be overly animated and overly excited so that that energy can be captured on the camera. So you're going to sit slightly to the left or right of center and then aim in toward the center and look toward the lens so that you appear to be looking into the camera. The reason you want to sit at an angle is because you don't want to come across if you're straight front and look like you're like the deer in the headlights. So nobody knows what happens when your camera's not rolling. Meaning, if you have to start and stop and start over, that is fine, because nobody knows. It's your final video that you post. No one also can see your words that might be just leaning up right against your books right in front of you. You'll know if you need to write them out completely and memorize them, or maybe you just want bullet points so you can remember what to say. Or you have something that the world needs to know and you're sharing it. So you're telling your best friend, hey, I've got a secret that's going to help you. And finally, be sure to share. A video that is stuck inside your camera actually will do absolutely nothing. So make sure that once your video is done, you want to share it on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Facebook, wherever you are present online. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call.